Hi, welcome to another video. In this video, I'll be putting the Swiftech MCW60-R Rev2 onto my current Galaxy 9600 GT, which right now has an aftermarket cooler, the Accelero twin turbo. Yeah, but I don't like this cooler because it takes 3 slots, and yeah, and it's just really crap. So right now I'm just removing the screws. I'm removing the Arctic cooler one. Give me a second. Remember always to just put your screws in the place so you don't forget them or lose them out. Yeah, at the moment this cooler cools my graphic card at around 50s when it's idle, and doesn't hit much higher when it's at max load. But yeah, it's just the sake of 3 slots is just pissing me off. And since I'm running a Solaya, it's kind of shit for the other card since getting squashed. And yeah, here's the cooler right now with the thermal paste off and with the memory chips and shit. And the current cooler, the contact. Yep. Right now, I'll be using the Arctic clean to remove the thermal paste. Just a few drops. And just let that dissolve. Yep. Yeah. In this build I'll be using the 1/2" barbs for the Swiftech, and I already put the O-rings inside the barbs and then stored it, tightened it, and yeah, just waiting until the thermal paste gets cleaned out. I'll just get tissue. Should be long enough, so I just wipe it off now. Yep, now I'll be using the Arctic clean bottle, which is the surface purifier, and a couple of drops of those. And let that settle. Yeah, I'll be using the foam paste they give us because I don't want to waste my Arctic Silver 5 on this. Or my OCZ freeze. I leave that for the CPU. Yep, just a couple more seconds. Yep, that's alright. Alright, since that's done, it's time for the Swiftech, and I'm gonna take off the plastic film now. Whoa, as you can see, it's really shiny. Really shiny. And that's me. And yeah, so right now, time to put the thermal paste onto the GPU. I'm just gonna use it all. So I'm not sure what type of thermal paste this is. Yep, big huge lump. I think I put too much, but who cares? And give me a sec. Yep. And so right now, I take the back plate and I won't turn the card over fully. And it's got a rubber middle, so it won't cause any of your chips to short circuit or anything like that. Give me a sec. Alright. Alright, here's the card. Here's the back plate. I'll put it in the holes. Just trying to line them up. And yeah, that's done. And now I have to put the GPU block on it. And so oops, wrong way. Shit. Yeah, now I'll be putting the GPU block on this, whatever, on the fucking GPU. And you just rest on top of your mounting holes. Line them up. And then take your back plate. And then you get the mounting screws. I just screw one in just to tighten it. Yep. And there I got 2 screws in, so the rest would be easy. Let's tighten these up. And that should be it. Alright, so right now I installed the GPU block on my 9600 GT and it looks pretty cool. Yep, backplate's there installed, and I'm gonna drain my system right there and add some more tubing, and I'll show you the end product soon. Alright, thanks for watching. See ya.